On the package, or not on the package, but the package is a lot smaller than versus the ad on Amazon for this, but supposedly it's really loud. When you look at a picture of the ad, it actually looked like, you know, a huge horn, like maybe semi-style ones, but you get this, 30 bucks. I had one on there, kind of sort of similar. This supposedly comes with its own air compressor, and it just, you know, does its thing all on its own. We'll see if it's really as loud as it says. Supposedly like 600 decibels. Check this out. I'm very well surprised. Ready? This is it. This is good. I'm putting this in. I'll show you guys how to do it. Okay, so I had a cheap somebody else put this in here before. Some cheesy horn that wasn't working any good. So we're just gonna unplug this and then just plug ours in and we're good to go. Should be fairly easy. All done here. Just use the other mounting bracket, but I just don't like that it's rubbing up against my tank here with the antifreeze, so I'm gonna have to do something about it. See what I can shift over a little bit. For now, it'll just be like this for a minute, and that's it. Basically, all you do is you take your, you know, black and red wire, plug it into your regular wires for your horn. Just strip them a little bit, put some right here is how I attached them. Open them up, attach them, and then here you go. Let's test this bad boy one more time. I love it. So loud. Wonder how it is with the hood closed. But anyways, I'll leave you guys a link in the description if you guys want one too. From Amazon. It's not a sales promotion or anything like that. I paid money for it. Don't worry. Came in a little box. What the name of it was, I don't know. It's not even labeled or anything. No, that doesn't tell anything. Anyways, it was in a little box like that, so that's it right there. I'm gonna put it closer to here and then it won't be rubbing. So I gotta figure out some kind of a contraption that's gonna keep it in the back over here. Or maybe at some point I'll just unscrew it, take it out and put it on this side somewhere. Mount it maybe to the firewall, or I don't know, somewhere under this side of the hood where there's a whole bunch of room. So we'll see. If you guys want one, hit up the Amazon link. I'll leave it to you guys in the description. Get yourself a nice loud horn, or you can add it to your, you can always add it to your existing horn. Keep the stock one, whatever you have in there. Just strip the wires a little bit, attach the wires to each other, and then you're good. You can have both of them. Just my whatever aftermarket one wasn't working out. The pipes are down there. There's two pipes right there. The black one and the whatever other one, they're down there. It just wasn't really pumping anything, and it was super, super, super quiet. They attached it down there, which, if you want a horn, you want it to be blowing forward, not no down on the bottom. That's it for now. We'll see you guys next time. Like and subscribe if you guys like this kind of stuff. Maybe we'll be doing a little more slow additions to the van. I definitely need to put some fog lights in here. I got some yellow ones that I'm going to install right up in the grill in here. So that video should be coming up soon, maybe.